Everyday idioms. What do they really mean?
Hey! Welcome, my super awesome friends. Are you ready for some cool word magic today? We're talking about idioms. What's that? Well, idioms are like secret codes hidden in our language. They don't mean exactly what they say, but they're super fun to figure out. Break the ice.
This doesn't mean we're actually cracking ice apart, but it's all about starting a conversation to make people feel more comfortable. Imagine meeting someone new and feeling a little shy. What can you do? That's right, break the ice. Say something friendly and soon everyone's chatting happily.
Example.
When I started at my new school, I told a joke to break the ice, and soon everyone was laughing and talking. You're at a new school, and everyone is sitting quietly at lunch. You say, "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your favorite movie?" Suddenly, everyone starts talking and laughing. You just broke the ice.
Spill the beans.
Here's our second idiom, spill the beans. It sounds like we're making a mess in the kitchen, but that's not what it means. When someone spills the beans, they're telling a secret or revealing a surprise before it's supposed to be known, like if you accidentally tell someone about a surprise party. Oops, you just spilled the beans.
Example.
I was supposed to keep the party a secret, but I accidentally spilled the beans when I told my friend about it. Your friend's surprise birthday party is next week, but you accidentally tell them about it today. Oops, you spilled the beans.
Piece of cake.
Next up, we have the idiom piece of cake. You might be thinking, yum, cake. But this idiom means that something is super easy to do, just like having a delicious slice of cake. So, if you find something really simple, like tying your shoes or solving an easy puzzle, you can say, "That was a piece of cake."
Example.
The math homework was a piece of cake. I finished it in just 10 minutes. You were worried about your math quiz, but when you saw the questions, they were so easy. You finished in 5 minutes and said, "That was a piece of cake."
Hit the books.
Now, for our fourth idiom, hit the books. Don't worry, you don't need to grab a hammer for this one. Hit the books means it's time to study and learn. So, when you have homework or a test coming up, you've got to hit the books, open them up, read, and learn new things.
Example.
Final exams are next week, so I need to hit the books and start studying hard. There's a big science test tomorrow, so after dinner, you sit down with your textbook and start studying. You're hitting the books so you can ace the test.
Bite the bullet.
All right, this is the last idiom for today, bite the bullet. It sounds strange, right? But it doesn't mean you're really biting a bullet. It actually means doing something difficult that you've been avoiding, even though it's hard or unpleasant.
Example.
I didn't want to go to the dentist, but my toothache was getting worse. So I finally bit the bullet and made the appointment. You had been avoiding the dentist for weeks because you didn't want to go. But when your toothache became unbearable, you knew it was time to face the problem and make the appointment. That's what we mean by bite the bullet. Doing something difficult that you've been putting off.
Thank you for watching and exploring these idioms with us. We hope you found the explanations clear and helpful for understanding how to use these phrases in everyday language. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep learning, and see you soon.